Hello everyone, welcome all to Physics with Aeronautics. So in this video, we will discuss about some 2022 Physics cpet examination papers. So let's begin. And here is the first question of this session, that is, in an element has a body-centered cubic, that is physis structure, with atomic radius 0.5 Armstrong, then lattice constant will be. And the options are 0.5 Armstrong, 2.52 Armstrong, 0.75 Armstrong and 1.15 Armstrong. And we know that for basis structure 4R is equal to root 3 and the value of R is given in the question. So by putting this value we can find that the lattice constant will be 1.15 Armstrong. So the answer is 1.15 Armstrong. Then the Hall coefficient of a material is found to be 5. For the typing mistake, this is meter to the power minus 3 and c to the power minus 1. The carrier density of the material is, and the options are 1.25 into 10 to the power 18 per meter cube, 2.25 into 10 to the power 18 per meter cube, 3.25 into 10 to the power 18 per meter cube, and 0.25 into 10 to the power 18 per meter cube. So the carrier density is given by 1 by Rhe. So by putting the value we can find that the carrier density will be 1.25 into 10 to the power 18 per meter cube. So the answer is 1.25 into 10 to the power 18 per meter cube. Then the relative permittivity of a material is 4. The speed of light c inside the material can be, and the options are c by 2, 2c by 3, c and 3c by 4. So in the question it has been given that the relative permittivity, but we know that the relative refractive index is given by root mu r epsilon r. Here mu r is the relative permeability, and this data is missing in the question. So let it. Then which among the following does not represent property of a laser source? And the options are low intensity, coherent, directional and stimulated emission. And here the answer will be low density. Then what type of magnetic behavior is observed in type 1 semiconductor? And the options are perfectly diamagnetism, perfect paramagnetism, perfect ferromagnetism and perfect ferrimagnetism. And here the answer will be perfect diamagnetism. Then the efficiency of a full wave rectifier is, options are 18.5%, 35.6%, 40.5% and 81.2%. And here the option D is correct, that is 81.2%. And again we know that for half wave rectifier this is 40.5%. Then if the electron density of n-type silicon is 2 into 10 to the power 16 centimeter inverse cube, then what is its whole density? Here also the data is insufficient, because we know that from the law of mass action Ni square is equal to Np into Nh. Then a reverse bias PN junction hatch, and the options are very narrow depletion layer, almost no current, very low resistance and large current flow. And we know that the answer will be almost no current. Then a transistor can be operated by how many number of configuration? And the options are 1, 2, 3 and 4. And here the correct answer is 3. And the configurations are common emitter, common base and common collector. Then for a BJT, the common base current gain is 0.95. Its common emitter current gain will be, and the options are 38, 26, 19 and 58. So in the question it has been given that current gain alpha is equal to 0.95 So we have to find out the common ammeter current, that is beta is equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. So by putting the value of alpha here, we can find that the answer will be 19. So here the answer is 19. I hope you all enjoyed this session. So for more videos, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.